everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and truly fun.
Hello, Chloe, and a big warm hello to all our wonderful listeners joining us from every corner of the world. We're so happy you're here with us today.
It is wonderful to see you, Ethan. You look extra energetic today, like you're ready to run a marathon.
Do I? Well, I am feeling great. I had a giant cup of coffee this morning, maybe too big, actually.
Coffee, the magical drink that fuels humanity. We always end up talking about coffee.
We really do. But today, Chloe, the coffee actually plays a tiny role in our story.
Oh, does it? Now I'm curious.
Yes, today's topic is fast, loud, colorful, and extremely busy.
Let me guess. Are we talking about life in the city?
Exactly. Today we're exploring daily routines in big cities, that non-stop rhythm of urban life.
That is such a great topic. Many of our listeners live in big cities, and cities are very different from small towns. Everything moves faster.
Much, much faster. Today we're going to talk about commuting, traffic, crowds, noise, public transport, and some special city vocabulary.
Sounds exciting. But before we dive into the chaos of city life,
Yes, Chloe?
we have a small request for our lovely listeners.
Yes. Dear listeners, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button. It's a small action, but it helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Podcast and share this episode with your friends. They might want to improve their English and learn about city life too.
Thank you so much. All right, Chloe, ready to begin our city adventure?
Let's go!
So, Chloe, picture a huge city. New York, London, Tokyo, Sao Paulo, Karachi, wherever your imagination takes you.
All right, I'm imagining it. Tall buildings everywhere, endless cars on the streets, people rushing around.
Exactly. And how does a typical day begin in a big city?
For me, it begins with an alarm clock. A very loud alarm clock that doesn't care about my feelings.
Yes, most people in big cities wake up very early because they have a commute.
That's a great vocabulary word. Commute. Your commute is your trip from home to work or school.
And in big cities, the commute can sometimes feel like an adventure.
Or a nightmare.
Yes, sometimes a nightmare. Chloe, how do you commute? Do you drive?
Oh no, driving in a big city is a challenge. The traffic is horrible.
Very true. So, you take public transport?
Yes, I take the subway.
The subway. Trains under the ground. In London, they call it the tube. In other cities, they call it the metro. But here, it's the subway.
I take it every morning, but I have a love-hate relationship with it.
Why? What do you hate?
The crowds at 8:00 a.m., it's rush hour.
Another good phrase. Rush hour. When everyone is traveling at the same time.
During rush hour, people are everywhere. On the stairs, on the platforms, inside the train.
You can't even sit down.
Sit down? Ethan, I never sit during rush hour. I stand and hold onto the handle like I'm on a roller coaster.
Same. And we all stand very, very close to each other.
Too close sometimes. We're packed like sardines.
A great expression, packed like sardines, means squeezed together with no space.
The subway is fast, though.
True. It's much faster than taking the bus.
Do you ever take the bus?
Sometimes, if I'm not in a hurry, I like the bus because I can see the city.
Yes! On the subway, all you see is darkness and tunnels. On a bus, you can watch the city come alive.
But buses also have a big problem.
Let me guess. Traffic jams.
Exactly. When cars stop moving and you're stuck for minutes or hours, it's torture.
Everyone honks their horns. Beep! Beep! It's so loud.
The city is a noisy place. Cars honking, police sirens, people shouting, musicians performing on the streets.
And don't forget construction. There is always construction.
Always. Someone is always repairing a road or building a new skyscraper.
I love that word. Skyscraper.
A skyscraper is a very tall building that seems to touch the sky.
When I look up at them, I feel tiny.
But they look beautiful at night when all the lights are shining.
After all that chaos, we finally reach the office. And of course, we drink more coffee.
The second cup of the day, and then we start working. But what about lunch?
Lunch in the city is amazing. Too many choices. Sometimes I bring food from home to save money.
Smart budgeting.
But sometimes I like to buy something fresh. Food trucks are my favorite.
Yes. Food trucks, little kitchens on wheels. You can get tacos, noodles, sandwiches, kebabs, anything.
And it's fast, which is important because everyone in the city walks fast, talks fast, and lives fast.
If you walk slowly on the sidewalk, people will get annoyed.
They will say, "Excuse me, can you move, please?" in a very polite but not polite way.
That is the hustle and bustle of the city, the excitement, the movement, the noise.
After work, we commute again. Everyone is tired.
The subway becomes quiet. People look at their phones, read books, or sleep.
I've seen people sleep standing up. It's impressive.
Once we finally get home, we can relax. But the city never sleeps.
That's a famous quote about New York, the city that never sleeps. But it's true for many cities.
There are restaurants, cinemas, shopping malls, and theaters open late.
Do you go out a lot in the evenings?
On Fridays, yes. During the week, I love my sofa.
Same. But it's nice to meet friends for dinner sometimes.
And in big cities, you can find food from every country.
Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Lebanese, everything.
But sometimes the city feels like too much, too loud, too bright, too busy.
Yes, that's why parks are important. Every big city has a big park.
Like Central Park or Hyde Park. They're like peaceful islands.
I love sitting on a bench, watching birds, eating a snack, and just breathing.
Nature helps us find balance.
Let's talk about fashion. People dress very stylishly in cities.
Especially in business areas. But at the same time, you can wear the weirdest outfit and nobody cares.
That's true. You can be 100% yourself.
Let's review today's city words.
Commute, your trip to work or school.
Rush hour, the busiest travel time.
Subway and traffic jam.
Skyscraper, very tall buildings.
Hustle and bustle, the busy city atmosphere.
Listeners, we want to hear from you.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
And what's your favorite part of your city or town?
Tell us in the comments. It's wonderful writing practice.
And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Podcast. Click the like button and share this episode with a friend. Maybe someone who takes the subway every day.
Thank you so much for listening. You are all amazing.
Have a wonderful day in your city or your town.
Bye for now.
See you next time.